Yes, of course, it's Everlove TV right here, and it's one of the greatest times over here. As I've already let you guys know that we have series of interviews this day, and I'm going to give it to you one by one. I have one of the old radio personality right here with me. Abaleke mienya, magbena mbe shy if ya interview arokoga kovena ikenya amiyoko no radio jipo ike fifila fia omagala radio. Agbagbaje gama adan wakporo kove mi adoje pleo. No le radio de leko kwe e kano magala radio de leke ole. So me mfoga to the open radio no and I'm making after radio. How does it feel to be on radio and how does it feel when you are no more on radio? So jamodo ga mi le egba nkakama. Apato adele gbanya ike apato wonto na mo nko efo.
Yeah, Francis Lege Elegia.
Akpa mi leji lo.
Akpa ngo yenye Emmanuel Gamali Dovia.
Abala na nya. Efo Emmanuel Gamali Dovia. Ile nyamike le gbanya ike on air, popularly known as Gamali Dovia.
Oh, the name that our cherished listeners give me is Wenang Pokule.
Wenang Pok. Aha. Throughout 2018 to 2022, your best moment on radio that you will never forget, and then your worst moment on radio that you will never forget. But let's start from the best one. Your papa mo talk. So 2018 to 2022, nkakama ikama ngabala wagbamo. Ika adojujono all the time.
Francis, one thing the kai kama tenchi agblofe nyaba. Yama tenchi agblofe fly ba nuka kada kalefi fly ikaba mala yamako nana kama adojujono mu. Ala ba me kata me nyaba radio doyi nyenyehi manya nya salama do sagomana no gaka alle nyanyi gbaklo mi sagome elebe na anwanyo ado na nyaba na wo program alabo nto na va access do kwa para mi o yewa de mia synopsis ya program alle prepare na program afiva yamade yeta we da gia and lamu wa ha nyasala fa mudadam klaro for chola mi ayo gabon hana kpodu jijode do kyo ba o ka program e yewa anyolo ado adalo ado maddo da jigada nyu da kai ka nyama kona da jifuno do kunyenya ba nyimagina ba mana no nyaka funfun agbaw ga ka magina ba woto share afigo chika mistake lalenwa wo manam plus super matacha corrector okunya then ba magava program aka woga nyama tacha ga repeat the same mistake. Yes, so I don't regret making no. Yama time global program Califia ro radio you know I have a worst moment or a bad moment. No.
So it means
it's all good.
It's all good.
Whether good or bad.
That yaba wa radio you know there is no bad and there is no good.
Yeah.
Okatan kwa it is normal within you.
Yeah.
Ika na namya nyaba aw ya yegume ya tafari nkakara kama likene lipuka dunna kujiba nkakaya anu wona alo siria kola yo anyayo glode nwa tenare givu kaka movu na la dokimo ye na make una na nyanya but there is no moment kan ko ike wa gboba o nkakaya la ye fu katanta ike ne don kuja ye ngoro na ebe nwu katambo
yeah
ebo katam le normal na ya
agboba friends me fa siria kola so abala magble na fifla fia radio do avato trom ta my first record so let me hold them but they are now part of us.
Yes.
Ala ba na nya bo ho glunyare now ye wa mahwe dem wa afia npe ko ba domahi onto fu ba fle atamila ajojon vo domahi afia goglom la magba amanyaw now ayo galana na ma ha nya fa nyansela wa ho no mokpokpo ma banka domahi le porangu ma ni di fifla afia amana fo ni dia ajara kama jomo down because dan glove tama fuka ga kala blani amara ajejom lega ufuma mama shi radio na mokpokpo be asanyara chuwo wo mai ke gbona yama no gagbo akojijore roku ya wako khunu ye dokela nkakama tamanya munye bo na ga ko vvsv ya mede agava ko akpara ta no matter how difficult it is for you you have to find every means laba na jagba mo atomo shamo japo ba yi wonwa alaiko laba da program alaika ba nyasala ho te chakojijore akpoba agba gamali devia for programme ogba ma like ala gbagba la tanya sela wela mi ho dama na nyabu yomi na ma nya shanya yoko glo ala ba mi ho dama kafi goji kam yoko aw ka haya wo glo ala bo no la mi atachi awo correct because mi we la injury ma go tai wo la tami ka jojo ma na hia ba mi agble na wa mi atangble no ga ka kai ka mi agble na wa ala bo no na ma
kana mi vaba on radio from 2018 to 2022 ye kaye na tiang gbo number alo make na gbo number during your 2018 to 2022 on radio lifestyle or me chokola mi agblama velia kenya velia ke you will never forget like agblama ke no ogologo dogodo na velia magara ju play do na ja tell me who is that your best friend?
You know the person that I will mention so Selassie Damian is one of the best friends that I will never forget. In fact, I'm Jojo, I got radio Jim, I remember a formula radio. She got a yonam. You got me a dog on a lake me one vibe now, but you know, Miga one, if you bad a crack, you got me for me, cover me. I got my Jamia Porava like a weekend now. I got me at a
weekend.
Selassie Damian is one of the best friends that I will never forget, no matter the distance between us. Like Selassie is one best friend that he can relationship are very close. They never me dorm together. Me no your newsroom. Me get a Jojo bo. Me even Jojo blog and me shang me can you na kula. Me kona bang me shang me on track. Yes.
Ika ajijona no.
Ajijona into hata ai ma blame tetibano. Sala ma take a decision. Ajimaju. Gaka, yes, I have to stand on my decision. No, listen, I got your bro, $5 million. Me so long, yeah, don't worry, I will soon join you.
Abalenesia, Edemoglo, I make Kenya Velia Vivian on radio, Immortal Blow. Now let's come to when we talk about the fact of radio. Tell me the truth. Did you miss radio?
I would say no. I don't miss radio because I still talk on radio.
In a sense that you still be on studio doing a show. That's what I'm trying to put across. Being in the studio, being in the a radio house. A doma fee radio station here.
Oh, fully, yes.
That's what I'm trying to
yes.
Did you miss it?
Yes, my brother. I miss radio, especially programs you can one. None of my miss radio. Nyasala miss my level. There we are no live power. American your program you can American woman power. I like a one vim no number. Me listeners so my vasa maran konoma power. But that's alright. I'm a phone. Should I just go and sit before the microphone and take over?
Again,
you have no option than to just relax in your comfort zone and take a bottle of club and console yourself.
Take a bottle of club and console yourself. That
yes.
is great from you. So, did you feel like coming back to radio? Not necessarily Jubilee Radio.
Oh, yes.
Maybe radio station.
Oh, yes.
You are a very good person. I want you back on my radio. How do you feel? Would you love to go back to
yes,
radio?
I am preparing to go back on air, but not necessarily Jubilee Radio.
Okay.
Yes, I'm even ready to go back on air, and I'm even preparing a road towards that.
Okay.
Oh yes, because that is what I learned. Ghana Institute of Journalism, though, but there are lots of things that you learn to that will broaden your mind to the business world. That wherever your passion is, you have to follow your passion.
Okay.
Though I specialize in public relations. Nyasalo miss malagwe. Ikava no udumotodo yom. Day out oyona. Oh, we na play ikemi ganko sega vevieto nyagara rio kana mo program mo funa fagba hamano no rumurajia. Nokpom na makola. They enjoy it. You know anya we no production awom tanya.
So that is it. You still miss radio. And definitely you are preparing yourself Ajajado one be I got talk over radio.
Sure.
That is me, not necessarily Jubilee Radio.
Yep.
Me I answer one call other radio stations.
Any other radio
Kakra, not
stations.
necessarily by Jubilee Radio.
Yeah.
Okay. So imama another when we talk about le fifi le fia although be edo je one number you want social media no. So as Gamali Dovia not on air as a radio personality. Now what do you do? Them and can and you want me le fia.
Oh, I still have my blog. I run a website. My Anglona story. So published now. I joined Modern Ghana News. Accra. I am temporary their correspondent. I have a YouTube channel. That is Agribuzz TV. Agribuzz TV, and it's purely about agribusiness.
So viewers over there, Agribuzz
TV. Yeah.
Either YouTube now subscribe to the channel. I'll definitely put a link at the description so that you subscribe to the channel and make him great once again. As how you guys are subscribing to Everlove TV, Jagba now subscribe to Agribuzz TV to make that channel a great one. So
yeah, the Agribuzz TV is also a channel that it's purely about agric or farming, fishing, business, marketing, and a whole lot. The the channel if you have videos I do laugh we talk about climate change. I remember from Chucky come put out wrong with you. I feel that young boga will blame she got on to Yamania as a second to live in a punyong or garagleman or them videos I do laugh mangoji. I like me program I do my one charm of a could do over video on the dam there. Afumangoji abale can Everlove TV ha a left fake hammer. I love Fluff, Everlove team, Everlove TV, and that is how Agribuzz TV is
also about. So tell me, I want a program like Jubilee Radio, vo. Your favorite fia na tia anam intro the economia akpa.
Oh, Francis Abalana Blina, one of programs so Gaka unto program of Vina, tem produce na money show back news. I love all the programs. In fact, I love all the programs.
Kakanam one intro from the car. Either morning solo, either a news production. Hello, have your say. Intro. Just give me 30 seconds intro.
Opo gato minute blatovo atom ya fanya sala. Ya the betre fanya jojo na dum ya bo like Everlove TV mi do toji na mi.
Mino toji we no abale keneje na akpano bana jagba edoje plemila egba fanga kama Everlove TV jagwa wanna subscribe to our channel and be part of this great family because we are doing our possible best to bring you great content as how you want it. Nya baba jamba mia onto nya mia pa ntutru ma fi oni o kanya ni o jaba mia have no kwa mia heavy no abale kenenye jagwa na subscribe to our channel Everlove TV on YouTube. Either Facebook na like page at Everlove TV and be part of this great family because we are here to give you great content as how you want it. Akpa bana do je plemi e ne no nyi pa plemi cho e bada chine fifia. Gamali Dovia.
Yes.
Anyama mleka la show na nyama pola.
Oh, mi afa no pola orukuma adaji funa mi be mi dajidi majiji go Gamali Dovia mi ntomi chonkoni mo we na popule. Aga troga gbo yama. Kaka don't forget to subscribe to Everlove TV.
And Agribuzz TV.
And Agribuzz TV.
Yeah.
Plus super mi atechi aga po mu vo ha. Mi ga mi onko segala ya vala vo do ha jita. Mi o de ga me Everlove TV is one of the best channel that you can get even the news from the sea. You will get it there. Like very soon Agribuzz TV overtake Everlove TV when it comes
overtaking
news from the sea.
Overtaking is allowed.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Bye bye.